Hello students, I'm Mr. Shukur. As I told you last week, I will do a grade 8 Maths National exam. I was saying like this. So as I said, I'm going to do those questions. This is grade 8 National exam. So let's do it. Which of the following is true about set of numbers? Let's choose the following is true about set of numbers. 7 over 2 is an element of whole number. Whole number starts from 0, right? This one is this true? First, this is not true, right? Because whole number, it does not concern fractional numbers. What about B? 0.2 is an element of positive integer. Was it 0.2? It's a decimal number, right? It's an irrational number. It's not a positive integer. What about C? 0 is an element of natural number. 0 is an element of natural? No. Natural number starts from 1. And the other one, D, minus 5 is an element of integer. Yes. Integer concerns negative numbers, right? Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. That's simple. The second one is the simplified form of the expression 4 over 3 plus 1 over 2 bracket 1 over 2 divisible by 3 over 2. 1 over 2 divisible by 3 over 2 is let's do this together. Let's do it. Okay. From this this is what I did. 4 over 2 plus 1 over 2 bracket 1 over 2 divisible by 3 over 2. So which of the following is we are going to simplify it. So 4 over 2 plus 1 over 2, 1 over 2 and bracket 1 over 2 divisible by 3 over 2, right? It means that, do you remember the properties of A over B divisible by C over D? It means that A over B times D over C. So 1 over 2 divisible by 3 over 2 means 1 over 2 times 2 over 3. So 4 over 3 plus 1 over 2, 1 times 2, 2 times 3 is 6. So 4 over 3 plus 1 over 2 bracket 2 over 6. So 1 times 2, 2, 2 times 6 is 12. So 4 over 3 plus 2 over 12. So you can, when you add these two fractions, you can take the LCM of these two numbers, least common multiple, 12, yes, 12 divided by 3, how many times? 4 times. 4 times 4, 16. 12 divided by 12, 1 times 2, 2. So 16 plus 2 over 12, 16 plus 2 is 18. So 18 over 12. When you simplify 18 over 12 by 6, 3 by 6, 2. So the answer is 3 over 2. 3 over 2. The simplified form of the number 2 question is 3 over 2. Okay, this was number 2 question, right? We did it. And the third one, which of the following questions are less than minus 1? Less than minus 1. You can just find the number which is less than minus 1. So here we have the first one is minus 1 over 5 divisible by 1 over 4, right? So minus 1 over 5, it means that times 4 over 1, right? Minus 1 times 4, minus 4, 5 times 1, 5. So minus 4 over 5. So when you divide minus 4 divided by 5, you will get minus 0.8. Are you with me? So the second one was minus 1 over 4. We are looking for the number which is less than minus 1. ከማይነስ 1 ያነሰ ቁጥሮች ከማይነስ 1 ያነሰ ቁጥር የሆነ የትኛው ነው የሚለን ጥያቄው። ስለዚህ minus 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 5, this means minus 1 over 4 times what? 5 over 1, right? You know the fraction rule, right? A ሲካፈል ለB, A over B divisible by C over D ከተባለ A over B times D over C እንደማለት ነው። ስለዚህ minus 1 times 5, minus 5, 4 times 1, 4. So minus 5 over 4. When you divide this, you will get minus 1.25. Minus 1.5 is, this number is less than minus 1, right? We got one number. And the other one, Roman number 3, 1 over 5 divided by minus 1 over 4. So 1 over 5, the reciprocal of 1 over 4 is 4 over 1. You will multiply it. 1 times minus 4, 5 times 1 is 5, right? So 1 times minus 4 is minus 4, 5 times 1 is 5. So equals to 0.8. We got negative 0.8. So negative 0. Is greater than minus 1. It cannot be the answer. So Roman number 4 said that 1 over 4 divisible by minus 1 over 5, right? So 1 over 4 times minus 5 over 1, you will get minus 5 over 4. When you divide this, we got the same answer like Roman number 2. So minus 1.25. So the answer is Roman number 2 and Roman number 4. The answer is Roman number 2. The answer is B. The answer is what? B. Okay, the other question is number 4 question. 10 is added to 3 times a number. 10 is added to 3 times a number. The result multiplied by 2 and gave the product 50. What was the original? This is the question. 10 is added to 3 times a number. So 10 is added to 3 times a number. Let x a number. 10 is added to 3 times x, right? 10 is added to 3 times a number. 3 times a number means 3x. Added to a number 3x plus 10. And the product multiplied by 2. After you add this, you will multiply this by 2. And then equals to 50, right? The result is 50. After this, it's simple to find the value of x after we take out the equation. 2 times 3x equals to 6x. 2 times 20 is 20, right? Equals to 50. Then you will collect like terms. So 6x equals to, you will take 20 to the right side, it will be minus. So 6x equals to 50 minus 20, it's gonna be 30, right? So you will divide this by 6 by 6. So the value of x will be 5. The value of x will be, the number that we were looking was 5. The value of x is 5. And number 5 question from your national exam was, we are just going to find the value of x. This is the question. Let's do it. 2 bracket 3x plus 5 minus 30 equals to 8 minus 2 bracket x minus 2. After this, you are just going to multiply by using this is distributive property of multiplication over addition. So 2 times 3x, 6x, 2 times 5, 10, minus 30, 8 minus 2 times x minus 2x, minus 2 times minus 4 plus 4. So 6x, 10 minus 30, it's minus 20. It's minus 20. So equals to minus 2x, 8 plus 4 is 12, right? So we'll take minus 2 to the right, to the left side. It will be 6x plus 2x, and we'll take minus 20 to the right side. For me, it's to the right side. For you, it's different. I know that. So 6x plus 2x will be 8x. 12 plus 20 is 32. Over 8 over 8. The value of x will be, you will get 4. So the solution set is what? 4. Okay. The solution set is 4. Here, number 5. It's enough for today to do until number 5 because it's we will do it again. We will start again tomorrow. I will post another video starting from number 6 question. I will do number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. I will do it. Thanks for having a time with me. If there is anything that you want to ask, as usual, you can comment me, and don't forget to subscribe. Like, if you like it, you need to like, right? And you need to subscribe. So thank you.